The spacers, these are 15 mil, I believe. Yep, 15 mil. All right. Oh yeah, that looks good. Holy shit. You ain't seen nothing. That sounds good. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another HP Society episode. It is a beautiful day here in Chicago, Illinois. You guys, we have shadow and we got a lot of boxes. Here's some new spacers. I did actually have some other spacers, but unfortunately they just don't fit, which is weird. I know you guys see the box that says Corsa right here. That's going to be for our catch can install. We are going to probably put that in the next couple days or so. But I hope you guys liked that last video, how to clean your Mustang video, or well, how to clean your race car, I guess. We are going to put these spacers on today and see how the fitment is on Shadow stainless steel clutch line. So I think this has my address on it. But we got a stainless steel clutch line as well, which should help with the MT82. This thing is going to get a full, kind of like a full trans servicing, I guess, and then a little trans upgrade as far as the stainless steel braided clutch line and new fluid. So MT82 should feel a lot better. So let's jack up the car and let's take these wheels off. We're gonna try the rear wheels first. That's what we're gonna try. A jack that isn't loud as shit. Yeah. Putting in that work, baby. Hell yeah. Now the other side. Hell yeah. All right. There we go. There we go. Yeah. I got the spacer. Let's see. Oh. Oh yeah, this looks like some high quality shit. The spacers, these are 15 mil, I believe. Yep, 15 mil. So they should fit. So hopefully they do. Oh, you motherfucker. Hopefully, if it's good. Make sure that you're all tight. All right, so whatever you're gonna do on this side, you're gonna do the same for that side. And then we're gonna put the rear down. We're gonna see how it looks sitting. And then we're gonna start with the front. And that should be the video. Hopefully the fitment is right, because right now, oh my God, I didn't even take a picture of the fitment from before. Well, it was in pretty good. We're trying to match it up a little bit. I'm not outside the fender, but we want it just a little bit in. And then this, we kind of want it to match a little bit out. So these are all pretty in, so hopefully it works. I'm really putting some faith in this. I think this will work. So once we go on a weld, obviously we'll get a 315 Mickey Thompson or some shit. But as of right now, we're not gonna need to get a 305 right now. These are really good tires. It's Pirelli P0s, amazing tires. So I don't think I need to go and get a 315. We're gonna wait till we get our welds, which hopefully within the next couple months or so, we'll get a weld set up on all four actually. So spacers are on both sides. You got one on there. Then we got the other one right here. So I'm guessing fitment wise, should make the car a 305 maybe. I'm guessing, maybe 295. Hopefully, we'll see right now. We're gonna put the wheels on, lower the car, and see how the rear looks. Move. There we go. I'm not gonna lie. Gonna lower the car just a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks good. Holy shit. Oh my God, dude, look at that. Dude, Fitment is way better. Holy shit. Look at that shit. Let me see from under, hold on. Oh my God, dude, look how aggressive that looks. Holy crap. Dude, way better. Oh my God, I'm in love. That's a 275/35/19 on the rear with a 15mm spacer. That's the difference it made. It looks insane, dude. I'm loving this. Right up that like little fender right there. I love that, dude. That looks sick. So next, we are going to remove the front wheels and put the spacer on there. So I don't know if I should vlog that. I feel like it's gonna be really boring. I'd rather push the car outside. That way you guys can see the, you know, the fitment, because like I said, it's a spacer, it's easy to put on. The way you do it in the back, you do the same thing for the front. So let's take this shit off and I'll pick up the camera once I'm done. That way when I park the car outside, you guys can really see it in the light and how it actually sits. Dude, I'm excited. Dude, that looks really freaking good. Dude, look how the wheel just pops out the lower fender, dude. Oh my God, that looks so aggressive. It's race car things, baby. HP Society Racing in this bitch. I'll pick up the camera once I'm done. I know. Finally finished the fitment, and dude, that is honestly perfect. That's probably the best I can ask for right there. Just look how it sits, man. It sits perfect. The car has a little bit more aggressive stance to it. I'm gonna pull it out in the driveway. That way you guys can see it in the sunlight. But dude, this thing is beautiful now. I'm actually really happy. So I'm gonna pull this outside. You guys are gonna see it. Guys, fitment looks absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I mean, look at that. I know you guys just seen the cinematic shots of it, but dude, that looks absolutely beautiful. Dude, just look how the wheel sits. This is my favorite part though, right here, is this. Look at that. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified and be a part of HP Society. A lot of mods coming. We got headers, board forms, intake, throttle body, Corsa, catch can. We have stainless steel clutch line. We're dumping the clutch fluid, putting in the BG products. We're going crazy. And then this thing is gonna get its boundary oil pump gears, and we're going to boost, baby. And then like December, maybe next spring, but Terminator is definitely going to be in the books with this Coyote, so it's going to be crazy. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.